If the air conditioning or blower fan in your Chevy Express van stopped working, don't rush to replace the compressor or blower motor yet. Check these key fuses and relay first, before spending any money. Start inside the van at the floor console fuse block, which is located right under the driver's seat. First, if your climate control panel has no power, or the controls won't respond at all, check these 3 HVAC control fuses. Fuse F25, a 10-amp fuse for main HVAC control. Fuse F13, a 10-amp fuse for HVAC System 2. And fuse F14, a 20-amp fuse for HVAC System 1. If one of these is blown, your control module can't send the signal to turn on the AC compressor or blower fan. Next, while you're still at this fuse box under the seat, check fuse F29. If your van is equipped with rear climate control and the back vents aren't blowing any air, this 30-amp fuse powers your rear blower motor. Now, move under the hood to the main engine compartment fuse box. Next, check fuse 74. This heavy-duty 40-amp fuse powers your front blower motor. If your dash controls light up fine, but zero air comes out of the front vents on any speed setting, fuse 74 is your main suspect. Next, locate fuse 18. This 15-amp fuse supplies power directly to your AC compressor clutch magnet. If your fan blows air fine, but it's blowing warm, check this fuse. Finally, check relay 40 right next to it. This relay switches the compressor on and spin. If fuse 18 is good, but your compressor clutch still won't engage, try swapping relay 40 with an identical non-essential relay, like your rear defogger relay, to test it. If cold air starts blasting, you just fixed your Chevy Express AC for free.